Hello friends, I am Pranoy and today I am going to be cooking a classic dish, Spanish omelette. Only 4 ingredients:
eggs, potatoes, onion and cheese. Of course we need to add salt as well. Let's get into it. Let's heat some oil. When the oil is heated up, let's slice the onion and potatoes. First we'll add the sliced onion in the pan. Now I will slice the potatoes, not too thick, not too thin, and fry them as well. It takes 7 to 10 minutes to perfectly fry the onions and potatoes. When they get cooked, I am going to break 3 eggs. Let's check the onions and potatoes. Aha, they're perfectly cooked. You can check it like this. Now let's add the fried onions and potatoes in the egg and mix them well. I am going to add some salt here and give it a good mix. There was some oil left. First, half of the mixture should go in the pan. Keep the flame low. Spread it well. Now, I am going to cover it with cheese slices. After this, we need to add the remaining mixture on top of it. You have to be careful while adding because you need to cover it completely. Wait for 2-3 minutes. The flame should be low or medium. You need to keep checking so that it cooks well and don't get overcooked. Now I am going to take a plate, cover it up and just flip the pan. You can see the color, so beautiful. Now we have to fry the other side for another 2-3 minutes. Again, cover it up, flip the pan. Wow, it's ready now. I'm going to make 4 slices.
Let me taste it now. Awesome. If you like Spanish cuisine, you must try this. Very easy recipe and a very delicious one. If you have any guest coming this evening to your home, you must try this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.